So, welcome to the next installment on our little YouTube channel. We have ridden from sunny Wroxham, currently in Hay-on-Wye. This is the start of our adventure into Wales. We've just put the cameras on. It is loads hotter than we anticipated. It's about 27, 28 degrees. If we knew that it was going to be this warm, we would have put our Nox gear on, because it is sweltering, especially when you're waiting for Vicky to get her gear on, which is currently round about 20 minutes at the moment. And I've done a schoolboy error. I've got my jacket, my gloves, everything on before Vicky has even put a t-shirt on. That'd help if I set the phone up for where we're actually going. We are... Oh, my phone is too hot and needs to cool down. So you've taken so long to get ready, the phone's overheated, so we now don't know where we're going. So we're supposed to be going to a petrol station in Brecon before onto the next destination, but I don't know how I can cool my phone down. I'll put it in my pocket, that's bound to be cooler.
They might help. Oh my god. You go first, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that breeze is nice. Help me. No. Oh, that would have been scary. Thank you.
Oh, this is better. But
Now this is blocked out here.
yes, that's better. And lots of sheeps.
Oh look, there's people down there, flapping for water. What's that? Oh, it's lifting!
We'll stop somewhere up here. Oh look, that must be a little waterfall. That's a lot higher yet. So you wouldn't want your Nox on. Oh, so that you could go along that one as well. But you wouldn't want your Nox on now. Stay to the outside of your lane so you don't get caught on the inside.
Okay.
Do you want to stop here?
Yeah. This is it. I decided to stop right here. Because I was a bit scared because of the gravel. That's what I'm going to do here. Oh, look, the car now coming up. I'm a bit scared. Why? Because I keep slipping. There's a car now coming up the bottom. Oh. Wow.
Do you think we can stop here or go to the top?
We can get to the top as well, can't we?
Yeah, I just think taking the drone now.
I don't really know. Hello, Mr. Sheepies. Do you think you're allowed to walk over here? Oh, look.
That'd be a good picture.
That would, yeah.
You can do it for me, can't you?
Yeah. No, that's cool.
That'd be a good one to take with the camera on.
Yeah, come on then, before our batteries run out.
Oh no, now we've got to do a hill start on gravel.
We could camp up here. I bet you're not allowed.
Oh, are you not?
Probably not. Can you get the bike up?
Up.
Who's this nearly up by?
Thank you. Yeah, but I'm a weakling and I've got a dodgy back. Dodgy back, dodgy legs, dodgy body. Oh, bike's gonna start. I'm not even joking.
Is it turning over?
Oh no!
Is it turning over?
No? That's not starting.
Is the engine turning over or is it just nothing?
It's just clicking.
You gotta be joking.
Nope, I'm being deadly fucking serious right now.
That's your batteries. You got to add thin charge and everything on it.
But that's not. Oh. Ha!
Battery. Just all the fucking charging. Electronic EWS.
Get off of them.
Would it bump start down the hill, do you think?
Potentially. I'll have to take it down to that bit.
Oh, no, it's ice cream man.
Yeah, no, it's not for ice cream.
Oh.
Literally just round the corner was that viewpoint.
Oh, look, there's cabin in there. Oh, the exit, the piggies, gravity, back off the road.
What a road surface to put up here. Wow, that view to the left is amazing now. Yeah.
5 minutes with the car behind you. I can't remember if that's on. Point updated. So
3, 2, 1.
it's on follow me.
You right? Yeah. But you come up for a bit of off-road?
Yeah, it's mainly though around towards Breton area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
no.
can see a little people around there. It's like little,
I didn't realise you could get round there.
yeah. So,
Nice. You got to try the drone out, but I don't know if that's actually working or not.
hey?
He's trying the drone out,
Oh,
but I don't know if that's working or not.
you know,
Nice to meet you.
But I don't actually know. Oh, what the fuck? I think
What?
it's this.
Why?
Because it's just killed it. I literally just plugged that in and it just killed it. It's not even plugged in. Yeah, it literally just went like that. And it just went. And now nothing's coming on at all. Right.
You right?
Yeah, but.
Good.
I just
Yeah.
Pumps passing gear.
Right. Okay. Ready to go pump or right, all right.
Love you. Yeah.
I think that's a good decent.